Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about how to customize GitHub Desktop so that it suits your preferences and also can make your development workflow more efficient. So let's dive in. The first customization we'll explore is changing the theme of GitHub Desktop. To do this, open GitHub Desktop and click on File in the top left-hand corner, and then select Options. Now you want to select Appearance. Here you can select your preferred theme. GitHub Desktop offers both a light and dark theme. Choose the one that's easier on your eyes or suits your style best and select Save. Now let's talk about customizing the editor you use for viewing and editing files. Go back to the Options menu and this time click on Integrations. In this section you can select your preferred text editor or code editor for handling files. You can choose popular editors like Visual Studio Code or your favourite text editor. You can also choose the shell tool that you use. I have the options of Command Prompt, PowerShell or Windows Terminal. GitHub Desktop also allows you to configure your Git settings. To access this, go to the Git menu within Options. Here you can configure your global Git settings, including your name and email address, as well as the default branch name for new repositories. This information is crucial for proper Git commit attribution. Customizing notifications is another essential aspect of tailoring GitHub Desktop to your needs. Let's take a look at it. Back in the Options menu, click on Notification. In this section, you can adjust how and when you receive notifications for various events within your repositories. Customize these settings to keep your workflow uninterrupted but well informed. Finally, if you're looking for more advanced customizations, GitHub Desktop allows you to tweak advanced settings such as Git configuration file and repository specific settings. That's it. In just a few minutes you've learned how to customize GitHub Desktop to make it work the way you want it to. Remember, these customizations can help streamline your workflow and make your development experience much more enjoyable.